Uh-huh. Y'all ain't ready for this.
Let's go.
Yeah. Listen. Check it. Let these bars give you an introduction. Tracy's sweet touch protection when she touch it. Hey, baby, you gonna love it. And I'ma split this verse and give you a summary of it. Jewelry so sparkling, she touch it. Craft so dope, she touch it. Case, Casey, cause she touch it. Abracadabra rest. Oof. Estella fabulous. Make no mistake, craft arts and cakes. She creates and creates and shifts from the Great Lakes state. Set a spark, contact her today. Passionately intrigued, our love is on this way. Hey, I know what it is.
Passionately intrigued.
That's right.
She's a sweet touch.
Well, this is a tumbler that I sublimated on when I first started doing tumblers over a year ago, maybe a couple years ago. I don't know how long ago. And I never threw it away, but I didn't know. I was going to epoxy it, put glitter on it, do something different with it. I wasn't going to throw it away. So, you've been hearing about how you can lighten the image if you bake it in the oven. So today I'm trying it out. I got the convection oven on 400 degrees. And I'm going to let this joker cook for 45 minutes to an hour and see if I can lighten that up and put a dark image over the top of it. And I meant to take a picture of it before I put it in the oven. Of course I forgot. But as you can see, I put it on upside down. And then it didn't sublimate too well up at the top because it wasn't taped good. So we're going to see what it do. See if I can resublimate. If not, it's going to be epoxied. It's going to be spray painted or glittered or something. I'm definitely not throwing it out. For some reason, I can't get this camera to focus, but it's been in a good half hour, and it's lightening up a little bit. The red is dark, the black is dark. So we're going to see. I'm going to give it another half hour, and I saw that my temperature had gone up to 450, so I turned that down. And I'll be back. I wish it would focus. But you should be able to tell that it is lightening up a little bit. If I come in closer? No. If I go back further? No. Anyway, just doing a spot check. Be back in 30 minutes. See what it has done. As you can clearly see now, I put this image on upside down. It's still a little warm. I've taken it out of the oven. I left it in there an hour. So it's still, it cleared up some. So I'll have to put a dark image on it to see if I can sublimate over it. And if that dark image doesn't work, then I'll be spray painting it. Or using glitter. Or maybe alcohol ink. Acrylic paint, something to change it up. I found an image that might work to cover that tumbler. We'll see. It's red, black, and white, and it's real cute. So that's rather dark, and it should do the job. So I'm gonna take this cup up, cover it, and I'm going to tape it real good, and I'm probably going to put this one in saran wrap to make sure that it is sealed tight and there's no air and that it comes out right. We're going to see. I'll be back in a bit after I get through taping and sublimating this cup. So stay tuned. We're going to see how this works. I hope it works. It'll probably be a cup for me because actually, I don't know if I showed this to you or not. It's like it's burned on the bottom, so it won't be for sale unless I can change that white. Possibilities, but we'll see. Back in a few. This right here is entirely too much work, too time consuming and too much work. I'm just trying to ensure that this image comes out and covers this old sublimation. I'm even going to put it in what you call this cellophane, this shrink wrap. I'm even going to do that. Okay, we'll be back. again. It's time to see what 6 coats of armor in 6 minutes is going to do for this buddy. Let's throw it in there for 6 minutes and pray that it comes out beautiful. Reveal time. Let's see if this worked. More than likely, this will be a cup for me. Like I said, this is too much work. Way too much work. Someone needs to invest in a tumbler press. And I just have to do one at a time. I think it'll make life a lot easier. The only thing about wrapping with this painter's tape is it's very sticky. Oh boy. I'll come back in a minute when I get all this crap off. I repeat, I do not like the tape, the painter's tape method. It's too doggone sticky. Here we go. It looks good. Okay. A lot of ink you can see on the outside. Let's see. I hope it did. I hope it worked. Oh, yeah. Wow. Not really. Nope. I mean, it did okay for me to have this cup for myself, but it's a no for me. I still see the image behind it. This image is kind of intermingled. Can't really tell what's going on. I'm definitely going to have to use this image again on a regular, clean, blank cup. But yeah, this will be one of my coffee cups unless I decide to spray paint it. And then, like I said, the bottom is burnt, but if I spray paint it, that'll make all the difference in the world. Okay, I thought I'd give it a try, and this is the results. So thank you for watching, much appreciated. Have you tried this before? I think it might work if the image that you're trying to resublimate on is a lighter image. With that being black and red, even using a black and red image to sublimate on top, it all still came through. Thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Peace and love as always. I'm out.